Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the edit history on Google Docs. First, open the Google Docs file. At the top of the page, you will see a history icon showing when your document was last edited. Click on it and you will see your document's entire edit history. You will be shown all the latest edits made up to the last saved version of your document. You can browse through them individually by clicking the arrows next to it. If you need to restore a previous version, find the version you want, then click the three dot icon that appears on that entry. From here, you can choose Restore this version, which will restore it and move it to the top of the version history menu. If you need an independent copy separate from the current version, select Make a copy. You will then be prompted to name the file and choose where to save it. You can also decide whether to share the copy with the same people as the original ones done. Click OK. If you just want to label a specific version to mark when it was created or significantly edited, select Name this version. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.